Thank you, my people. I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. In today's math class, the topic is logarithms. We want to solve two questions within the shortest time. Watch the video to the end. Let us dive in. Question 1. We are asked to simplify the logarithm of 32 base 2 plus log 8 base 2 minus log 27 base 3 minus 9 base 3. Okay? Therefore, we move on. From the expression, we can write it as log of 32 base 2 plus log of 8 base 2. Then I have minus log 27 base 3 and another minus log 9 base 3. What I will do, I want to factor out the minus outside so that I can now have inside the bracket the log of 27 base 3, then plus the log of 9 base 3. Good. I have factored out the minus outside the bracket. So what I have inside the bracket now is addition. At this point, I can now apply the addition law of logarithms, which means the law that says if I give you log x base a plus log y base a, once the bases are the same, that you should write it as log x y base a, multiplication. So applying this law to this, I will now have it written as the log of 32 multiplied by 8, everything to base 2. The same thing to the one I have in the bracket, the same addition law we apply, which will now be written as the log of 27 multiplied by 9, all to base 3. So what I have done now is I've applied this addition law of logarithms, multiplying the two expressions to one common base 3, the same thing to the front side. Now, looking at this, it is going to result to 32 times 8, which is going to give us 256. So I will have log 256 to base 2, then minus 27 times 9, which is going to give me 243. So I will have it as log 243 to base 3. This is where I am now. I would have applied the subtraction law of logarithms, but I cannot do that here because the bases are not the same. I have base 2 and I have base 3. What this means is that I am going to solve them separately because they are having different bases. And after that, I can now subtract my result. Therefore, but the log of 256 to base 2 can be written as, 256 is the same thing to put in base 2, can be written as 2 raised to the power 8. That means 2 times 2 times 2 up to 8 times. Therefore, I can now write it as log of 2 raised to the power 8 to base 2, which if I apply the power law of logarithms, it can also be written as 8 log 2 base 2. Alright, and you know that the logarithm to its own base is 1, which can now be written as 8 times 1 equal to 8. What have I done? Log 256 base 2 can be written as log 2 raised to the power 8 base 2 because 2 raised to the power 8 is the same thing as 256. And in logarithms, the law says that if you have the log of x to base a raised to the power n, that it is equal to n the log of x base a. That is what I have done here. Moving this a to the back, to have 8 log 2 base 2. Also, another law says that if I have log a base a, that it is equal to 1. That is what I applied here, where I have log 2 base 2, which is equal to 1. Therefore, 8 multiplied by 1 will give me 8. Applying the same to the second expression, which is the log, also the log of 243 base 3 can also be written, like I did here, in base form, in index form. That is, log of 243 can be written as 3 raised to the power 5. Why? Because 243 is equal to 3 raised to the power 5, meaning that if I multiply 3 5 times, I can get 243. So I can now write here as log of 3 raised to the power 5 to base 3. Beautiful. I have now expressed it as a power function, which means I can also apply what I did here. Then 5 coming to the back will give me 5 log 3 base 3. You can now see it is the same here, which will now give me 1. That is log 3 base 3. And that will now be 5 multiplied by 1 equal to 5. In conclusion, we can now say, therefore, that log 256 base 2 minus log 243 base 3 can be written as 8, which is log 256 base 2, then minus log 243 base 3, which is given to us as 5, and the final answer becomes equal to 3. Good answer. Then, in just 1 minute or 30 seconds, we complete the second part, because it is going to play as what we did in this first one, that is applying the addition law of logarithms. And when that happens, what I will simply have is the log of 49, please, 49 multiplied by 1/7, or to 1 common base 7. And when that happens, what I will now get is 49 multiplied by 1/7 is the same as 49/7, which is now going to give us 7. Beautiful. So I can now write log 7 to base 7, which is equal to 1 according to what we did here, that the logarithm of 2 base 2 is 1, and the logarithm of 3 base 3 is 1. So therefore the logarithm of 7 base 7 is just equal to 1. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Keep learning with me, Tutor Cletus Okoli, and God bless you.
Na mbụ, agwara m mmadụ sị